What's going on, everybody? Marquise Meda, and we're back here at the Orlando Science Center. And I gotta say, Yemi, I love the earrings, the decorations.
Very
we are
much.
dressed for Spooky Science Month, and today we're talking about something that makes me want to crawl out of my skin. We're discussing spiders and spider webs.
Exactly. So a lot of the times we're scared of things that we don't really understand. And I think one of those examples right here is spiders. So we have right here, this is a tarantula molt. So it's not a real tarantula. It was at one point. The exoskeleton of it, they molt out of them every so often because like us, they also have to grow. So they have to molt that exoskeleton to become a bigger spider essentially.
Well, that'll definitely scare somebody for sure.
Yeah, it could a little bit. But what's also really cool about spiders is that they are incredible engineers. Have you ever seen a spider web before?
Maybe once or twice, yeah.
Exactly. So spiders, they're all capable of producing silk. Not all of them make spider webs, but they're really amazing structures. So if you kind of look at a spider web, they have different points to them, and we're going to make a spider web ourselves.
Okay, let's get started.
Yeah, absolutely. So to make our spider web very simple, we're just going to have a paper plate. You find that at home, and then you're going to hole punch around depending on how many holes that you want to use for it. Take some string or yarn, and you're literally just going to create your spider web design however you would like it.
So this is the finished product right here.
Yeah, this is kind of like a model of what it could look like. I put a little plastic spider to give that some more realism to it. And what's really cool is, again, spiders make their designs, and then we can make our own version of that design. So spiders are, as they have their spider webs, they're going to capture insects, especially like mosquitoes. So they really help us with bringing down certain insect populations, like mosquitoes, help us with mosquito-borne illnesses as well to bring that down. And as they crawl around, they actually can even track some flower pollen on them, so they can help pollinate even.
Let's test this out and see just how strong spider webs are. I know earlier you were mentioning that they could be just as strong as steel.
Exactly. So we're going to test it with just some objects we would have at home. So let's try it with some toys here. What do we want to start off with first?
Let's start off with the magic school bus.
All right. So we're going to hold our paper plates, and let's see if it'll... Nice. Look at that.
So pretty strong, right?
Yeah, it is pretty strong. We want to add a dinosaur onto that? Why not? All right, T-Rex here for the Orlando Science Center.
So what I think about when I think about spiders, and I found out this fact like maybe a year or so ago, so I was late to find it out, but with their spider webs, when they catch their prey, it's not the fact that they can see the prey in the spider web, it's that they feel the vibrations from the web. So that's pretty cool to me.
Yeah, it is. So usually when they're going to capture prey, it'll be around this main part over here. So they have the hub, that's kind of where the spider hangs out, and the area around it, that's the really sticky part. So that's what's going to get it.
So the spiders, they basically just chill in the hub, and then they feel the vibrations waiting for their prey, and then they can go snag it. But you can come get a feel for spiders all month long. It's Spooky Science Month, but what else do we have going on?
We also have Spooky Science Weekend, so we hope you join us on October 19th and the 20th here at the Science Center.
We'll be thrilled to have you, but for now, Marquise Meda for the science of it. Back to you.